Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a design for my apron. So for those new to my channel, my name is Lynn, and um, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Lynn's Art and Design, and I'll be posting more videos on my creations. And thank you very much in advance. Today I will show you how to make a simple creation using my cricut. So this is the machine that I'm gonna use, the cricut machine. I'm using the Cricut Explorer 2. I put a design on my machine. Okay, I'm gonna open the machine, and these are the materials that I'm gonna use. A little iron, this one vinyl, so the program that we're gonna use is Cricut's Design Space. Open the Cricut Design Space, and then new. My computer is a little slow. Okay, next what we're gonna do is click the upload. So I already have a design that I made. I did it on my cell phone, so I'm just gonna show it to you later how I made the design. So click that, and then you see that add to canvas. Okay, you see this lock right here? I'm just gonna click that and unlock it, so we can just grab this one and make it what size you want. So I want 7 or 8 is good enough, I guess. 8, the side, the width is 8, the height is 7. So we're ready to print. So first thing we do is turn on the Cricut machine. You will hear the noise. And make sure we put it on iron on, because we're using heat press. Iron on. You see, iron on. Now we're ready to pair our machine to the computer. Now our design is ready. We got our size, and now we're gonna click make it, and it will show like that. Now make sure that you mirror your image. You see in this side there is mirror. You just click that one right there, and it will mirror your image. Okay, now we are ready to put our vinyl to the mat. Make sure that the shiny part of your vinyl, shiny, see? shiny, not shiny. So make sure the shiny part of the vinyl is facing towards the mat. Now you just click continue. Now did you see this blinking? All you have to do is just click that blinking and it will start cutting. So it's completed. It will start, this one will blink, this blinking when it means it's done. We're gonna press that one and it will start. We'll just press that one and it will eject your mat. There you go, it's done cutting. It's done cutting. Now we're gonna get our design off from the That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, just let me know. Send me a message or leave a comments and I will get back to you. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And next time I'm gonna make a tutorial on making this real cute ornament. I know it's not Christmas, but I don't have time to make tutorial videos on Christmas. I'm so busy. So